Hi everyone, welcome back to Dimitra's Dishes. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious MELITZANOSALATA. It's a classic Greek eggplant dip that's bursting with bright and smoky flavors. It's going to be delicious and we're going to go over the ingredients so that we can start making it. We're going to need some good quality Greek olive oil, some red wine vinegar, tomatoes, Kalamata olives, a garlic clove, some salt, pepper, smoked paprika, fresh parsley, some green scallions, and eggplant. So now you can cook these eggplant a few different ways. If you have a barbecue grill, go ahead and put these right on a hot grill and cook them, rotating them often until they're really nice and soft. When you pierce them through the thickest part, they should be really nice and tender. My barbecue is out of gas. My barbecue grill is out of gas right now, and I don't have a stovetop, which is the second way to do this. You can definitely cook these on a stovetop, rotating them often, just as you would on a barbecue grill. That does make a mess. So my third way to do it is in the oven. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Pierce the eggplant all over, put it on a baking sheet, and bake it until the eggplant is nice and soft. That should take about 25 to 30 minutes. So while the eggplant is roasting, go ahead and finely chop the scallions. All we're going to use is the green part for this recipe, but if you like the white part, you can add it in. Otherwise, store it in your refrigerator or use it in a stock. Go ahead and chop up the tomatoes, the Kalamata olives, finely chop the parsley, and go ahead and grate the garlic clove so that way everything is ready. Once the eggplant is ready, take it out of the oven and let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes just so that way it's easy to handle. Go ahead and carefully scoop out the flesh. You can use 2 tablespoons to do that. Scoop out the flesh into a colander and let all of the eggplant's juices drain. You could go ahead and put a clean kitchen towel in the colander and then squeeze the eggplant so that way all of the juices are released, or you can leave it and set it aside, and it takes about 30 minutes for all of the juices to come out. Make sure you don't skip that step so that way you don't have a watery dip. Go ahead and put some vinegar and olive oil in a small mixing bowl, whisk it together, pour it on top of the eggplant and season it with some salt, pepper, and the scallions. Go ahead and add the crushed garlic and mix it well until everything is incorporated. Go ahead and give it a taste and see how the seasoning is. If it needs some salt, some more salt and pepper, go ahead and add it. If it has a little bit of a bitter taste because of the seeds, you can go ahead and sprinkle a tiny bit of sugar on it, maybe about a quarter teaspoon or so, and that's going to help mellow out the flavors. Now it's time to garnish it. So I'm going to go ahead and put my eggplant dip in the serving dish. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. And I'm going to put some finely chopped parsley on top of it. Lots of tomatoes for beautiful color and freshness. And then for the lovely bite that Kalamata olives add, I'm going to go ahead and put lots of Kalamata olives. And then last, it's very traditional to put some walnuts in MELITZANOSALATA. You can leave them out if you don't want to add them. But if you want a little added crunch and texture, go ahead and chop up some walnuts and just sprinkle them all over the top. And last but not least, for a little bit of smoky flavor, I'm going to put some smoked paprika on top. It's easier to do it with my fingers like that. Just a little bit. It's not traditional, but I like to add it, especially when I haven't cooked the eggplant over fire. If you cook the eggplant in a grill or over an open flame, then it's going to give it that really nice smoky flavor. If not, I've noticed that this is a really nice addition to add to this dip. It gives it very nice smoky flavor. It's up to you if you want to add it or not. Last but definitely not least, a nice drizzling of extra virgin cold pressed Greek olive oil. And there you have it, a dip ready in no time. This is delicious, served as an appetizer with some nice pita chips or pita bread, or even some chopped up vegetables. Serve it as an appetizer like I just said, or alongside your favorite grilled meat. Anyhow, any way you do it, just go ahead and make this. The recipe, as always, go ahead and grab it on the website, www.dimitrasdishes.com. I also post the ingredients and the procedure in the description box underneath each video, so you can go ahead and grab that recipe over there too. Now it's time to give this a taste. I want to make sure I get a walnut too. Bright, smoky, fresh, just delicious. If you haven't tried eggplant dip in this way, I think you're going to love it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.